Hey everybody, Pat here, West Corners Custom Cycles here in the Underground Garage. I want to share with you something today that I got in my email. It comes from who I think is probably my biggest fan. That's my niece Bridget. She told me she was going to make me an animation for my channel, and she did. And it is definitely, to me, the coolest video I have on my channel. Check it out. Bridgie, thank you so much. Love you, hon. Love the video. I want everybody to know that she did this all on her own. It took her several hours to complete this animation. From what I heard, she had to piece over 79 clips together to make this. She put in the music, all of it done on her own. She made the bike red with skulls because of my skull bike, the Daily Rider that I ride. And Bridgie, I want you to know I'm going to start using this video in every one of my videos at the end of it, just before my logo comes up. All right, I want to thank everybody out there for taking a moment out of their day to check out this video. If you get a chance, check out the channel. As always, ride safe, live life behind bars. Peace, everybody.